code for today is going to be Hamster. Okay, Hamster. Okay, and how do we go about it? Go to your per hour, the end per tapping. Click it 3 times. Tap it 3 times. Okay, then you go for the H. The H is going to be 4 dots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we get our H, and the A is going to be dot and dash, dot dash. Okay, and the next one is going to be the M. The M is going to be dash dash. Okay, dash dash, and the S is going to be 3 dots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and the T is going to be dash, and the E is going to be dots, and the R is going to be dot dash dot dash dot dot. So that's it for today, and take your prize. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. In a couple of hours I will drop the combo for today, the 5 million combo. Okay, enjoy the rest of the day, and bye for now.
To sign up now, click the link in the description or comment section.
For more updates, subscribe, follow, comment, like, repost, and share.